Here at the Miami Beach Botanical Garden, renowned artists have teamed up with the county to bring kids, art, and nature together. Every Wednesday, free summer classes are hosted for children between the ages of 4 and 13, in hopes of incorporating nature and art into their lives. Parents and excited children are quick to line up to gain hands-on experience from talented and well-known artists.
The teachers during the day will teach them art appreciation and all of that, and then we take that and turn it into out-of-the-box artwork so they can create from their own imagination, and we show them the little techniques and tricks to make their work.
Materials are provided to students free of cost, allowing their creative minds to explore, while receiving insight from artists which provide structure into their projects. Every class provides unique projects for kids to work on, such as papier-mâché animals, bubble wrap landmarks, and watercolor landscapes.
But I make sure they have all the supplies, they have the chairs set up. During the year, like I say, our main grant comes from the county, but the police department, the school board, the women's club, others give us contributions to make it a matching grant.
With school currently out for summer, parents make an effort to come out and support their kids' projects, creating crafts that will later be on display at the end of camp to showcase these young minds' talent.
I've been coming here since last year. This is our second year. My daughter is 6 years old. She's a kindergarten student. She doesn't attend any summer camp. So it's been great resource for us to be involved in some kind of activities.
The Miami Beach Botanical Garden continues to provide free classes to students while providing recycled and sustainable materials. Bring your kids out for hands-on experience. This is Rolando Alvarez reporting for Biscayne Bay News.